Hello, and welcome to my final project video presentation. In this video, I'll just be going over the video that I created. Before watching this presentation, I'd recommend you check out the video beforehand because I'll be going over it completely. So to start off, this is the fictitious product that I made. It was a product called Mini Me. So when you put it on your head, you will shrink down completely to the size of your thumb. It's kind of supposed to be a stupid, kind of funny commercial. Not supposed to be taken seriously, kind of a takeoff off old time infomercials. So I just getting started here. We have like a little title screen, and just press play and
Hi,
skip through it.
it's Leon from Mini Me.
So this is the first part. It's the opening of the commercial. So on the side here, we got a slide that stays up throughout the entire commercial, apart from the end. And just here on the top, we have the title of the brand, which is Mini Me, TM of course. This text is a bevel and emboss effect, so you can see it's rounded, then has a shine on the top. It's supposed to kind of call back to those early fonts in the early 2000s, and below here we have the kind of the same thing going on, but instead it's with cheesy 3D text that scales in and out. I'll just show here as an example. Just meet this. Then below again we just got some pricing strategies going on and where to order and how you can order. And below we got the website URL, which kind of overlaps on the main screen. And then here we got the phone number, which kind of dials through each number individually. So we got 591, 566, and so on. This was intentional to have them both overlapping onto the main screen. I thought it was a nice effect. So going back to the opening, I just show off the opening sequence. So we just have myself kind of trying to get into a character as a old school infomercial character, and then having multiple shots kind of revealing the product as I talk over it. And then here we have the first transition to go into the first review section of the product, where I go through each scenario where you could be using the Mini Me product. So we just wash our hands, and then we lose the ring down the sink. Then I remember, oh, we can use Mini Me, which is right here. We take it, throw it on. Then we have an effect there, which is the glow effect, which I made in After Effects with the roto brush. Then moving on, we have the green screen effect, which I use to key out the green in the background. And then just here, this is a still image which I took a snapshot at the very final frame of the animation. So then I could just take that image and then drag them down. The next up we got the second review, which is another place where Mini Me could come in handy. So here shows a battery rolling under a couch. Then oh, that's kind of annoying. So I can't really reach it. So I guess I'll just shrink and go under there. So here we have a green screen effect of myself going under a couch. Then me kicking out a battery. I'll play it here. And then just slightly running out. I did that to mask the top of this couch just to make it so it looked a bit better, so my head wasn't sticking out here. This is a bit of an immersion there. Then just putting in the batteries again, then changing the channel. And this transition was made in After Effects. I found a nice video of this on YouTube, and I referenced that in my references. Then here's the last slide of the presentation, going over the main aspects of the slide that was on the right hand side. It's like a Mini Me. The other price is $49.99. This is where you can order it, all the different methods you can use to pay. That's the site where you go, and that's the phone number you can use if you want to call them up directly. Then I just have a rotated video sequence, just showing the product. That's it for my presentation, and thank you for listening.